All right, guys, this is my Fibonacci retracement setup for TradingView. All right, to find Fibonacci retracement, you'll see this little plus sign. Then you'll see a little bar, looks like a little bar with two little ends. These are your different kind of lines on TradingView. And your third one down is your Fibonacci retracement. Just click the little arrow. You'll get all these options. I'm not very familiar with all these other little Fibonacci retracements. The one that I use is just called basic Fibonacci retracement. Click on it. Then you just want to come over here, drag it out. And I'll show you how you drag it on a set of lines in a few minutes. But these are the percentages that I use. And I will bring up the settings for you. So just kind of click on the edge of it. You'll see this this little blue circle pop up, this little line down the middle. Then you go up to the middle of your TradingView page and select settings. And right here, where you can set up the settings. It took me a minute to figure this out because I didn't realize you had to put the 0 with the decimal. So just make sure you do that, because if not, it just will not work right. But the very first one is going to be 0. The second one's going to be 0.236. The next one's going to be 0.382. Then 0.5. Then 0.618. Then 0.786. Then 0.86, and the very last number is going to be 1. And you can just choose how you want your colors to look. And these are just percentages I use. I know there's other percentages out there, but these are just the basic ones. All right, so we got our Fibonacci set up, and then we'll do a little bit of an example. We actually took this trade this morning, so we'll delete this, and this way you can kind of see me pull it from the get-go here. So this was the opening here. This right here was the opening from this morning. Go over here and pull Fibonacci. You want to start at the bottom of the leg, which is here, then pull up to the top of the leg. And what you're looking for here is a 60 to 80% pullback. So as you can see, we pull right below the golden pocket here. And so this is kind of where we got long here, around 43, and we pretty much took about 50 points out of this move this morning. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching.